Hey everyone, I'm David from ChefsTemp. Today, I'm going to show you how to pair your ProTemp S1 with your phone. Let's get started. First, make sure your S1 is charged for at least 3 hours before using it. Now, locate the first button on the right. This is the power button. Press and hold it for about 4 seconds to switch on the S1. Next, open the ChefsTemp app and log in with your ID. Tap Add Device, then follow the guide and press Next. Now press and hold the first button on the left for 4 seconds. This is the pairing button. You'll see C_1 appear on the screen. And you may see another number as well. Tap Next in the app and wait a moment. When the app says successfully connected, your Bluetooth pairing is complete. If you want to continue with Wi-Fi pairing, tap Next in the app, or if you'd prefer to skip this step, just tap Skip. For Wi-Fi pairing, tap the magnifier icon to automatically detect and fill in your Wi-Fi network name. Make sure the Wi-Fi band is set to 2.4 gigahertz and your Wi-Fi password is correct. Then press Next and wait for the Wi-Fi pairing to complete. And that's it. Your phone is now paired with the ProTemp S1. In our next video, I'll show you how to add another S1 to control multiple devices together. For more on ChefsTemp products or the ProTemp S1, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Remember, the ProTemp S1 helps you smarten your grill in a snap.